What do you think? Do I need to upload tons of video each day? That कि यदि मैं अपनी quality गिरा रहा हूँ video की, then it's none of my business. So today I'm going to show you a channel that really broke all the rules and skyrocketed over 1 lakh plus subscriber just by uploading 5 videos within a year. And yeah, you heard it right. Just only 5 videos. Let's unfuck this channel right there. So this is Learn by Leo, a channel that proves it's not about how many video you upload. It's all about how well you understand the YouTube algorithm. So today my agenda is going to talk about the YouTube algorithm and how it's work. So let's get ahead into it. Here's the deal. YouTube is all about engagement, retention, and value. Again, I'm going to repeating you. YouTube is all about engagement, retention, and value. So let's break it down. So Leo mastered these three things. Just by three things: niche focus, quality over quantity, and SEO mastery. Niche focus. So first we talk about niche focus. Instead of making a random video, they stay to niche their audience craves, what their audience really needed at same time. So okay, quality over quantity. This is the second point. Each video is packed with value, storytellings, and visuals that keep viewers hooked till the end. And SEO mastery. For those who don't know about SEO, I already made a video. SEO is not about a website. It's even also about Instagram. It's even also about YouTube. Okay, so from catchy thumbnails to keyword rich titles, their content tailor made to rank in searches. So when you make a video to that people love to watch and share, the algorithm rewards you by pushing it to more viewers. And guess what? You don't need 100 videos to do it. Just one solid plan. Really, just one solid plan packed with value, with storytelling. Take your time, watch their video, upload smarter, not harder. Focus on delivering value and understanding what your audience wants. If they can hit the 1 lakh subscriber with just 5 video, so why you can't?